Hello and welcome to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to build a parking app with Base 44. Where did I get this idea from? So I went to Upwork, and on Upwork there's lots of ideas or lots of projects, people wanting developers to build projects, and I want to showcase the power of Base 44, Lovable, Bolt, all these tools that allow you to build applications and web applications without coding. And what perfect way to do it than to take some of these projects on Upwork and actually build them. So we found an interesting project, and this is a car parking app, super basic. The features it has is user sign up, search parking spots by location, time, date, view current and past bookings, an admin panel, and this job's actually going for $500, and we can do this pretty quickly using Base 44 or any similar tool. So let's get started. What I'm actually going to do in this video is create a product requirements doc from this description. So I'm going to jump to Gemini, and I may have already tried to create this already. So let's see. Okay, yeah. So I was playing around with this this product requirements doc, and all I did is I said create a product requirements doc for, and I literally copied and pasted the description from Upwork, and it created a pretty decent product requirements doc. What I then did is ask it to create phases of implementation, because I personally don't like to just throw the product requirements doc in Base 44. And you can see here saying, hey, first do the user authentication and basic parking spot management, then do the booking functionality, then the booking management. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to throw it in and just see what comes out. Hopefully, because this project is simple enough that it shouldn't encounter too many errors, or hopefully no errors at all. And just checking out the rest of this. So I'm just going to copy a portion of this product requirements doc and put it in Base 44. Now it's finished. What we have is it's created a side navigation bar for us that the layout is slightly off, but it has a search box to be able to find parking, and actually it's categorized it by price range and amenities such as securities. It's covered EV charging, valet camera 24/7. So that's super cool. It does have a book now, and it's added pictures. So it does have a book now, and I don't believe this book now. Okay, the book now is working. There is no payments integrated with this. So we would have to, if we wanted to deploy this in production, we would have to connect payments. I do want to clean up the layout, so I am going to figure out a way to clean up the layout. So I'm going to say the user logout name and email should be at the bottom of the left navigation bar. So we can actually see the admin panel now. If I go to admin panel, and it seems that there's an error, so we're going to hit resolve with AI. We've asked it to fix the admin panel, so if we hit admin panel now, you can see that we have some kind of dashboard where we can manage parking spots and bookings. We have 3 active parking spots. It doesn't say how much revenue, occupancy, total bookings. We can add parking spots, perfect, and bookings. This is for users, and I guess it could be for admin as well. That's great. The only issue I have with this now is that I don't know why this layout is like this, but if you can actually see, now that I look closer, this side navigation actually stops right here. And then what is done is put the section with the list below that. Now that we have our side navigation the full height of the page, it seems like for some reason it's kind of squished this main part. Perfect. So now we have our side navigation. We can see my bookings, we can see admin panel, we have parking spots and bookings. We can manage that as admin. We can book and manage our bookings as people that are parking. We have our dashboard where we can actually find parking spots if we want to find parking spots. This is exactly what we wanted. This is exactly as we want it. Maybe the last thing we want to do is see what this looks like on mobile. And it is completely responsive. So this is perfect. This is just how we want it. This would make an amazing version 1 for a parking app. As you saw, it's very, very simple to build applications like this. This is going to be a part of a wider series where I take ideas from the internet, Upwork, freelancer.com, and build them using no code, low code, AI, and automation tools. If you found this video valuable, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and happy hacking.